Do that. What do you think, Sonova? Sonova, what do you think? Oh, here goes Troy, the big bag.
Can we open it?
Yeah. Here, let me see. What is in here?
Oh, this is battery.
I know, we'll figure it out. All right, Troy, it's open. Now you can open the top.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. Can you get it?
What's inside
Okay, turn it on out. Oh. Look, it's cars. You can make a car town with the cars.
Is it a white one?
Hmm?
Is it a white one?
Let's see what it says. Sonova likes it. Super building set. See, look. Remember like your car town? And look, you can make it with Mater and Lightning.
Oh, where is the weight?
You make it. You build it.
You gotta put it together, Troy.
Yeah. It's a toy. You put it together, kiddo.
No! Oh,
Cars.
where is the car wash?
Troy, you put it together.
Is it a car wash?
I don't think it's a car wash, kiddo.
Do they make noise?
I don't know. We'll have to open it and find out. You like it? Yeah, you'll like it more when you open it up and see it.
Oh! Oh! You can make masks too.
Hey, cool.
You can make masks. Because see? See?
Oh, I see. See?
They make masks too. Can people make masks too?
I don't know, maybe. We'll have to open it up in a little bit, okay? And
No, come here, come sit with me.
we'll figure out how to work it, okay? How to put it together. Hey, why are you cranky? Why are you cranky, Christmas baby?
Mommy, can we go open up most presents?
Yes.